Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use emojis on Monopoly Go. Let's start the video. First, open the Monopoly Go game on your mobile phone. Lots of new emojis are available on new updates. I upload one video per week on different topics. Stay connected with us and support me. Now press the 3 lines option. And now press the showroom option. Now you are on token page. You need to go Emoijs page. Now press this option. Now you can see I have 4 different emojis. Now cut this page and need to play the game. You need to go to shutdown reward and enable it. You have to keep playing the game until the shutdown reward is given. You can see I throw dice again and again for getting shutdown reward. I got the shutdown reward, and now I complete the shutdown reward. Now you need to press this option. Now you can see these 4 emojis. Now you can choose one of these emojis. That's it for today. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.